Welcome to ShilpaaStudio by Shri Goodie Bags. If you have got a baby shower coming up, don't show up with the boring box of diapers. Today, I will show you how to make a 3-tier diaper cake that works as a gorgeous centerpiece and gives new parents diaper they will actually use. It looks like the tier wedding cake, but it's 100% diaper. No flour, no frosting, just rolled or folded diapers stacked to look fancy. It's inedible but way more useful. For a 3-tier cake, you need 50-70 size 1 or 2 diapers. Skip newborn size. Grab a sturdy cardboard base, a paper towel tube for the center, double-sided tape, ribbon, decorations like the flowers or small toys to match the theme. Start with the sturdy base and the paper towel tube in the center for support. Roll each diaper. Pop it in a small bag so it stays clean and tape it. Build the first tier around the tube. Secure with the double-sided tape, then stack the next layer. Wrap with the ribbon and add a topper, flower or the small toys to match the theme. If you want my supplier list, comment baby below and I will send it to you. For custom hampers and the baby shower designs, WhatsApp is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gift ideas from ShilpaaStudio. Thank you.